Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for all the messages and comments over the last few videos and stuff. Before I start, it'd be great if you could go and subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the notification bell as well. It means a lot, and it encourages me to keep on doing these vids. So today I'm doing a trail in Crua, a trail into Crua. So from Military Road all the way into Crua. It's called River Run, so it's a bit of a hike to get there. Also, a couple of people asked me to do a bike check on the channel, so when I get to the top and get my breath back, we'll do that. But if you don't want to watch that, I'll put a timestamp of where the video starts of the trail in the description. And yeah, I've just come up Stocking Lane and Killikee Road past the viewpoint, and this road will lead to Sally Gap. It's also part of the Dublin Mountains Way. I think the Featherbeds over to the right would be the route you'd take on the Dublin Mountains Way. So yeah, nice day for it. Some slog. That's Stocking Lane and Killikee Road. Wowzers. So jumped in off the road. That's the climb to the River Run. It's on Trail Forks, so look it up there, but on Trail Forks it says it's about 1 kilometre long. The climb is 50 metres of climbing, so up here at the top of River Run on top of Crua, really. Crua's over there somewhere. Yeah, you see Howth in the distance, all of Dublin out in front of me. Absolutely gorgeous spot. So a couple of people have been asking for bike check. So this is my medium Mondraker Dune XR 2018. I've had it since 2018. It's a carbon enduro bike, so top to bottom, so rental 800mm white bars with a rental stem, 35mm, ergon grips, Hope Tech 3 E4 or Tech 4 E3, not sure, with 200mm rotors front and back. Forks are Fox 36 factory, boost, 170mm travel. I've got an MRP cartridge in it for ramp control. Not that I use it that much, just the odd time I might click it once or twice, but I think I've got it 3 or 4 clicks put into it. Wheels are these DT Swiss EX501s, absolutely bulletproof. I've had them since 2018, and I'm on a good day 110 kilos, and yeah, not a bother on them. They work fine. Mark gave me a Pro Guard fork mount mudguard, which is there. It's first outing today. The shock is a Fox THX2. It's got the orange spring on it, or the orange coil. I think it's the 550 pound coil. I think it's the biggest one you can get anyway. ORP Pro Guard on the back as well. SRAM XO drivetrain. Hope F20 pedals. Fox Transfer dropper post. STG saddle. And tyres, yes. Schwalbe Magic Mary Super Gravity front. Schwalbe Hans Dampf Super Gravity back. My favourite combo, can't beat it, love it a bits. I run about 32 front, 32 rear, except if I'm doing a really long spin, I'll go up as far as 40, 45, just to get that extra roll and get me through the climbs. So yeah, that's bike check. So, river run. Let's do it. I'd say it's going to be a bit sloppy, hence the name river run. A bit wet. I'd say it's just rocks and ruts all the way. Oh, yeah. Clean the lens. Now, woohoo! Oh, stay high through the rocks. The riverbed. Oh, big hole. Another big hole. Oh, big drop. Stay up, stay up. Tight rut. Just about made it. A bit of schlop. Oh, it's wet. Bit of a climb here. Hope I'm going the right way. I'm sure I am. It's not as steep as I thought it would be. And it's pretty pedally. Alright, see if we can make this. Probably in the wrong gear, but good flash. Not bad, not bad. Whoa, the water's so deep. And on Christmas Street. Whoa. Like those pools of water, about a foot deep I'd say, in some spots. Should have worn my seal skins. See if I can push up here. That's just too deep. is real adventure spin, XC type riding. Less water here. Good, good, good. A little bit more flow. Oh, roughy. Pretty techie. I'd like to say you do this easily on the hardtail, but this bike is just exactly what this part needs anyway. Just plows over this stuff. Oh, high for the crack. Here. Absolute schwanfest. But that is last part of that. Wow, that was cool. Enjoyed that. Woohoo! So that is the river run, and it leads you to the water bars here in Crua. And yeah, that was really cool. So this is a little add-on to the river run. This is a walker's trail in Crua, so it's not something I come flying down on a weekend day because there's so many walkers on it. But there's a really tech descent to the top of Massey's. I'm gonna give it a lash to it. I'm wet enough anyway, so I might as well get, it's gonna make me even more wet. So let's see if I can do it without dabbing. Oh, almost dabbed. I don't think this has a name, but it's certainly a trail that's popular with walkers. I think we'll be okay today. First thing on a Monday morning. Gets a little techie here. I had to down there, my feet wouldn't fit through. I nearly took my wife for a walk down that at the weekend. Glad I didn't. It's in a mess. Yeah, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Till then, good luck.